As the weather gets nicer and people start working out in the yard, business is picking up for a local tree trimming company. The owner of Elite Tree Services Stoughton tells us things were slow at the start of last year's season because people were simply saving money when the pandemic started up. Right now, it's busy season. Appointments, they're booked a ways out now, but there are a few things homeowners should look out for.
Things you should be aware of if you're watching around, look at your trees, see if there's branches rubbing on other branches. That's a good sign of something that should be trimmed back, and that way we can get that taken care of before it damages the tree. If there's bark peeling off, the emerald ash borer is still going around right now. So watch your trees. If they're dying, if they have very minimal foliage this season, definitely have someone come out and take a look at them.
He says the dry start of the season has also helped business ramp back up this spring.